Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and I firmly believe that you should not settle for boring clothes.
So meet your new go-to comfort staple, the Fenclushy women's wide leg stretch pants, where ease meets effortless style. These are soft and relaxed sweatpant-like fabric with a high elastic drawstring waist and a laid-back wide leg silhouette. And this detail along the legs is obsession worthy. I love this embroidered look. It is just so beautiful. They are perfect for running errands, lounging at home, casual outings. You can really adapt these to anything depending on what you want to style them with. You can make these super dressy or lounge around in them. They are going to be your go-to pants. Trust me on this one.
These are one of the coziest pair of pants I have ever worn, and I absolutely am obsessed with all of the fun detail on them. If you are looking for a unique piece of clothing that you are going to love wearing, then you need to get a pair of these, and that's my point of view.